Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Today I wanted to show you a full detail on my E90 M3. Driven at like 1,500 miles to 2,000 miles without washing it, as far as like a full detail. So I wanted to show you what it looks like from the before and after of cleaning a car that is pretty dirty. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's go wash this car because it needs it very badly. So as you can see here, the car has, it's out outside in Austin for a little bit. It's at a friend's house and sprinkler got to it. And I hit a pump so hard that I lost my emblem. So, happens I guess, but I'm gonna order a new one. The car's currently warming up right now. You can see all that right there. What's up everybody? So this is going to be a voiceover for this entire video. I just wanted to take my time with showing you guys the before. It did rain over the weekend when I was driving to Austin, so the car did get washed off, and also on the road trip it did rain a couple times, but the car is still pretty dirty, and I'll be completely honest, I haven't cleaned the interior since I bought the car. So I'm going to show you guys vacuuming the inside and using all these new products I want to show you and getting this car looking proper because it has been way too long since I've had a real detail. So you can see here all this stuff that was dried on the paint, and it's time to get to work. So currently I'm learning how to do detailing a little bit more, and before anyone comments anything, yes, I know I detailed this in the sun, but I tried my best to do the side in the shade and do everything as quick as I could, and the lighting was great with having the sun. So I wanted to give a shout out to PHILISN. This is a product company that makes really good detailing products. I wanted to find a company that had a kit that you can buy everything at once, and this company was it. So thank you to PHILISN for sponsoring this video. So I started off with unwrapping all of the packages and looking at all the details on the back. This was their Suds, the foaming soap that I used, and I'm really happy with the product. They also included a couple of brushes, which I used this one for the tires, and then the one on the bottom I used for the wheels itself, which is really nice. It got into a lot of spots on my wheels, which my E88s are not easy to clean. So I started off with getting the foam gun ready. I filled this up with soap and water, and I sprayed down the wheels first. Started with the left front wheel, and also I wanted to get the tire first, so I scrubbed it pretty hard. You can notice that a lot of browning comes off of it from all the dirt and also from the previous tire shine that I had used. This brush was awesome. It got everything off very quickly. This was the part that I was really excited about. I have a hard time cleaning these E88s because of how detailed the wheels are and how many spokes you have, but this brush was really nice to use because I was able to get in every little crevice and pretty much behind the spokes too. Once I sprayed them off, I noticed how much dirt had come off from using the soap first, letting it soak for a second, and then scrubbing everything. But I moved on to the back wheels, and also this was on the side without the sun, which was much better. And I went ahead and scrubbed the wheels a little bit harder this time just to kind of see how much would come off. And the tires are pretty clean already, but this brush got a lot more off, and then I went to town with the brush again in between every spoke and on every piece that I could. It took a while, but it was definitely worth the result. couple of times when I would use various soap that after I'd washed the car or the wheels, there would still be dirt on the wheels once I let it sit for a little bit. And this soap, if you let it sit and you give it a good scrub, every ounce of dirt comes off. And that's what I noticed the most about this soap, is that when I saw the final result after washing it off before I did anything else, the car was extremely clean. So one thing I have to say is that this soap is top tier, amazing quality. The next step was to get the car clean. We did all 4 wheels and they look amazing. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the car with soap, and since this is directly in the sunlight, I worked pretty quickly. I did let it sit for a second and I made sure that I had a chance to actually let it do its work, and then I scrubbed it down. I try to work from top to bottom, but I'm still learning and kind of getting the hang of things. But you can see here that, like I said, when you spray this down with soap and you spray the water on and you look at the final result, it is absolutely amazing without doing anything else to the car. Now it's time to dry the car. I noticed with other car wash products I've used that my paint will feel kind of tacky sometimes. When I dried off my car this time, everything felt very smooth. The front of the car does have PPF, but the rest of the car doesn't, and I noticed on each surface it felt pretty much the same. Everything was very smooth, and this was only using the soap and water. So I wanted to hurry up and dry the car as fast as I could since it was in the sun, and actually get it in the garage so I can do a little bit more detailed work on it. I'm gonna be honest, I pulled the car in the garage, dried it off, and I'm blown away. Here is the final result. So as you saw in the last clip, this is their ceramic coating. This is a 5-in-1 hybrid. One thing I liked about this was the application process was so easy. I did majority of it in my garage, but I wanted to show you out in the sunlight how I applied it. This changed the look drastically, and I want to show you guys how much of a difference it really made. If you know me pretty well, you know that I love my tire shine. I just love the way it gives the car a updated and newer look. I don't like them to be too greasy, but this is their tire shine. I realized I should have shaken the bottle before I did this, but I applied it in 2 different ways. You can see the first time I sprayed the tire directly, and the second time I sprayed the actual towel. Either way works, but this tire shine worked really well and gave it a nice shiny finish. Not too much of a shine, but just enough to see that you can tell that the car is very, very clean. Now it was time to move on to the interior. I have not cleaned the interior since I bought it, which was 8 months ago, and the road trip made it pretty dirty, so it was due for a deep cleaning. I can't even tell you how nice it was to get the interior completely clean. It needed it so badly, and it made the car feel brand new. But here's the final result. This is after using all the products and doing pretty much everything I could from PHILISN. They had some really great products, and I had a fun time using everything and trying everything out. And I wanted to show you the final result after everything was completely done. I want to say a big shout out to PHILISN for this, because I've done a lot of product videos before, and I have to say this is pretty much my favorite soap I've ever used. The reason why is when you put it into the foam gun, it foams up very well and it pulls all the dirt off very quickly. And that's what I like about that, is how easy it is to use, and I can tell it's good quality, and all this stuff smells amazing too. This tire shine is fantastic. I would want to get a couple more bottles of it because I do go through it quickly. I like to put this on before any kind of photo shoot or video shoot just because it really helps the car look good. It's a great product. I do like this a lot. The finish on it is perfect. It's not too greasy. It's not too shiny. It's just the right amount for any kind of tire you have, whether it's a thick sidewall or a thin one. This is a really good product too. I'm very happy to say that this stuff to me is not just random. It's actually really good stuff that works very well on my car, and I do plan on using it in the future again too. This ceramic coating has changed my car's look drastically. I'm excited to see how it does out in the rain and out in different kind of weather. But so far, being the day after with this car, it made a gigantic difference from any time when I washed my car in the past to now. You can just tell how much more a ceramic coating makes a difference on a car's paint. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was a full day project of filming and editing and showing you all the products that I was using. Very happy with the final result. I cannot wait to go drive this car and show it off at some car shows. But if you want to, check out any link below for all these products. They have a bunch of different kits that you can get on Amazon, which makes life 10 times easier. You can get anything from the basic kit up to everything else you need too. So brushes, products, soap, it's all in the link below. But thank you again to PHILISN for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.